Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. We have a tune-up report today from Mark in North Carolina. This DX-979 has receiver mods and alignments on a synthesizer to make sure it's dead on frequency. On the tune-up, Mark, over here we have 10 watts across the top scale, coming in a 5 watt carrier. And on this meter I have a 50 watt slug, so we'll be reading power right here. That's 30 and there's 20.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check.
Okay. And upper sideband.
Audio 1, 2. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
Okay, now we'll just put it on the air. He's here receiving.
Hey, breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate the comeback, driver. You have a final.